Machiavelli's Masterplan, The Prince's Guide to Power. In our last video, we explored the life of Niccolò Machiavelli. Now we delve into The Prince, his guide for rulers on how to gain and maintain power. His advice to rulers was bold, ruthless, and unapologetically realistic. Let's today explore balance between fear and love. A ruler should aim to be feared rather than loved, but never hated. Fear ensures control, while love can be unreliable. The art of deception. A prince must be cunning like a fox and strong like a lion. Honesty is not always the best policy. Appear virtuous, but act wisely. Power over morality. Politics is about maintaining power, not moral righteousness. A prince should use virtue and vice as tools for ruling effectively. Controlling wealth and desires. Never take the property or women of your subjects. It leads to rebellion. People tolerate loss of wealth less than other hardships. Choosing advisors wisely. Surround yourself with competent and loyal advisors. Remove those who are disloyal or incompetent before they threaten your rule. War and military strength. A prince must always be prepared for war. Relying on mercenaries or external forces weakens a state. Expanding and maintaining power. A ruler should always seek to expand territory, but in a calculated manner. Align with weaker states rather than strong ones to avoid major losses. Handling enemies and opponents. Eliminate enemies, completely half measures invite revenge. Do not leave a defeated enemy wounded, as they will strike back. The role of law and force. Use both laws, for the good, and force, when necessary. A ruler must be respected for enforcing orders. Imitating great leaders. Study and follow the strategies of historical leaders like Alexander the Great and Julius Caesar. Success comes from learning from the past. Machiavelli's advice may seem ruthless, but his goal was simple: stability and power. Was Machiavelli a genius or a villain? That is for history to decide. But his lessons remain as relevant today. But what happens when there is no strong ruler, when chaos takes over? In our next video, we'll explore the political philosophy of Thomas Hobbes, his views on human nature, authority, and why he believed a powerful state was necessary to avoid anarchy. Stay tuned.